Here I have HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable camera watermark on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can enable watermark. So you have to enable stickers, and you have two. You have like this one, and you have this one. I don't know, I like this one more because every device has a watermark like this, but not every has like this. So I'm gonna pick this one. And now let's try this new watermark out. Take a picture, and as you can see here I have this kinda watermark, my device name, and also something else, XMH Ultra Aperture Camera. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.